Dumpster rentals in Chattanooga Valley, Georgia. For efficient and dependable dumpster rentals in Chattanooga Valley, Georgia, Waste Worx is your go-to provider. With years of experience in the region, Waste Worx offers top-tier dumpster rental services tailored to make cleanup projects of any scale hassle-free. Whether tackling a home renovation, managing construction waste, or clearing out clutter, our dumpsters provide a convenient solution for all your disposal needs. A variety of dumpster sizes are available to accommodate projects both large and small. With flexible scheduling, budget-friendly pricing, and prompt delivery, you can stay focused on the task without worrying about waste management. The Waste Worx team prioritizes customer satisfaction and will help you choose the ideal dumpster size, ensuring a smooth, efficient rental experience. Serving residential and commercial clients alike, Waste Worx offers adjustable rental periods to match your project's timeline. Dedicated to responsible disposal practices, we handle waste in compliance with local regulations for environmentally friendly outcomes. To make your cleanup easier, call Waste Worx at 423-551-0677 to reserve a dumpster rental in Chattanooga Valley, Georgia. Trust Waste Worx for a streamlined, stress-free waste management experience.